Looking at an Eritrea 1-2. Are we looking at an Eastern African 1-2?
This is amazing.
Is this
is
the decider with a mere 200 meters to the finish line? Oh my, Algeria does not have a response. And Eritrea taking the lead. It has been decided from the very start. It has been decided. And it is not going to be a sprint, ladies and gentlemen. It is not going to be a sprint finish. P1, 2, and 3 have been decided. Oh my goodness, what are we witnessing right now? Brotherhood at its finest. Look at them holding hands. What an emotional moment for the Eastern African region. What an emotional moment for Eritrea. The title has been taken. The win has been made. The decision has been finally made. And authority has been stamped by Eritrea. They have dominated the breakaway. They have dominated the entire race from the very beginning, playing it very strategically from the very start, conserving their energy only to make a break for it at the last 300 meters to the finish line. The sprint that we so longed for is not going to be, unfortunately, but Kudus takes the win, grabs the title, and it is going to be celebration all the way. The strategy that was at play has borne fruit, has proven worthy, has proven that indeed they are contenders and they are here to stay. Oh my days, what a beautiful feature, what a beautiful sight. What an amazing, amazing day for the Eritrean nation. What an amazing day for this young man. What an amazing day and an amazing moment to be alive and to witness this happening. Oh my goodness.
I am very impressed. I think I saw this coming with the teamwork that they displayed from the very beginning when they started calling each other, and seeing Kudus take this, I think it kind of stamps the idea that experience sometimes does really matter in these situations. So it's very beautiful to see that Eritrea has managed to take first and second position. The camaraderie and the teamwork that we have seen today from Team Eritrea is something very admirable. This is something we would love to keep seeing within the bloc, within the region. And so this is a win for East Africa, a win for Eritrea, and a win for Kudus Merhawi.
Congratulations to the entire team. Congratulations to the well-oiled machine that is Eritrea, proving that indeed they are a force to reckon.
hold them back no longer. They are your champions. They will celebrate. That is the 2025 Cat Road Cycling Africa Championship. Congratulations. Eritrea, you have